fits compact DSLR with attached lens, such as Canon Rebel T6i with 18 to 200 mm f. 3.5 to 5.6, personal gear such as compact tripod, headlphones, smartphone, keys, wallet, sunglasses and small accessories. The Slingshot Edge 250 AW also fits the DJI Mavic Pro drone. Designed for smooth operation and extra security. Rotate sling to front, unzip side access pocket and grab kit to shoot. Get protection for your photo and personal gear inside and out. Keep your favorite devices with you. A separate, Cradle Fit TM pocket keeps your tablet safe from impact. Tablet compartment dimensions 19, 5 by 2 by 23 cm, 7.6 by 0.78 by 9.05 inches. Sling includes 2 removable straps with quick-release buckles for adding capacity. Internal dimensions, 23 by 12 by 21 cm, 9.06 by 4.72 by 8.27 in. Top reviews from the United States. This is a very well-designed, pro-level bag that's worth every penny. Just got back from a 2+ week European excursion and used this bag as my flight carry-on and daypack throughout the trip. Perfect fit for my DSLR with its 18 to 55 mm zoom, 75 to 300 mm zoom lens, 55 mm STD lens, dual battery charger and extra batteries. Liked the handy pockets for extra SIM chips, but wish one of them was big enough to put a battery in for quicker, easier access. The frontmost pocket, which runs almost the full length of the bag, has a surprising amount of room and pockets for pens, and other small essentials, as well as a lanyard for keys or penlight. I was able to put a packable raincoat in here with just a little effort. The larger bag opening, while short, has plenty of room for noise-canceling headphones, a decent-sized padded tablet pocket, and a zippered pouch for documents. There's a nice elastic and mesh side pocket big enough for a 16 ounces water bottle. While all of that thoughtfully designed storage is great, it functioned even better. The zippers and closures are sturdy, the padding is good, and it's very comfortable to wear across your shoulder on your back or to move to the front when accessing the camera, sitting down, or in crowds where the possibility of a snatch and grab might exist. Camera access is easy and relatively quick. Just slide the bag to your chest, open the side flap, pull out the camera, and start shooting.